Welcome back to another video. You're going to see some new things appear on the screen, such as that instruction, so it's going to give you an idea of what they've been asked to do. In this clip you're going to see 2 minor faults and 2 serious faults. This was quite late in the afternoon, so you might find that as the sun is setting it gets a little bit darker than normal. So all is going well so far. The learner is making their way down towards the city centre roundabouts. That's Sinclair Gardens, in other words the police station roundabout, and then down towards Bothwell Gardens train station roundabout. Now we're coming to the first fault of today. I'm going to highlight a link up the top right. If you click that, it will show you the tutorial video of how this is meant to be done. But this lane, although the lane was correct, it gives access to both these lanes and a right signal was required. Now because the right signal was missed by this learner, it's marked as a serious fault. Now coming down to this roundabout, again I'm going to highlight the tutorial for how to do this one. The fault here was a minor fault, and it was because an exit signal was missed, which should have come on here.
Go, yeah, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 you got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the...
Now we're turning left at the roundabout here and entering a 20 miles an hour zone. The speed got up a little high here, it got almost up to 25 just for a brief second, and the learner controlled it and brought it back down. So minor fault because it was caught quickly.
Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past.
Now we're coming up to a junction and the instruction is to take the left turn. Now you have full priority going from a main road to a side road, and the learner car should have turned first as indicated with the green arrow. There was a little bit of uncertainty and the learner thought the red car should go first. Now that's marked as a serious fault because it demonstrated the wrong rules at junctions. The instruction here is to turn right at the crossroads. The learner correctly waits on being the first car up at the stop line, and when their green light comes on they do it correctly, they find the correct path forward in to the junction and round. From here they're following the signs back towards Kirkcaldy on the independent drive.